Hey all, we have 3 minutes to design a product, so let's start with the video. So I got the Fanttik E1 Max screwdriver. It's an electric screwdriver, and I decided to make a base and a magnetic charging station for it. So that's how it looks in the computer, and now we are printing it. And I printed it with multicolor just to make it looks better, but you can also print it in one color. So that's how the stand looks like. When you flip the stand over, that's where all the magic happens, and then you have a place for the magnetic, it's a USB Type-C magnetic cable. So the magnetic cable gonna sit there, and we have 2 thread inserts that's going to hold the connector in place. And hopefully, if everything will work right, this thing gonna stand there. So we also have these end caps to make this entire bit holder spin on top. So now what we have to do is press the thread inserts into the actual print. So let's do that. And now when both of the thread inserts are in, we can continue with inserting the magnetic USB-C cable. We're gonna carefully press it into the channel. The channel is deep and there is a reason for it. So I'm taking one of the bits from the screwdriver and actually pressing the cable all the way in. After doing that, if we're looking from the other side, we can see that the magnetic connector is practically sits in the middle. Now we're gonna take the connector, the clip thingy, and we're just going to screw it in with 2 M3x8 screws, and that will hold the magnetic connector in place. So after doing that, you can see the magnetic is sitting flush with the actual design of the base, and when we test it, we got a nice click, and the screwdriver magnetized in place, and that's how it's going to be charged. So now let's go and move on to the bit holder portion. We have these 2 end caps. One of them has a bigger radius inside, and the other one has a smaller one, and that's correspond to the 2 end caps of this magnetic bit holder. So just align the smaller radius with the smaller radius on one end, and then the bigger one goes to the other end. They're pressed into place. And then this entire sub-assembly just gonna sit on top of the enclosure, and then put in the screwdriver, and that's basically it. So now we have a charging, the screwdriver is going to stay charged while it's docking, and we can spin and go through all of our bits. So now this is going to sit on my desk, and what do you guys think? You like it? Let me hear in the comments below.